Ngel sha se ha jing en madem ke jing yap.
Hangat boleh fifim ngai se.
Pak bahaya benum ngen. Nrete bros jing em nginap sunyo tang tek pop. Berhikam bahajungi.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Motorsports Club of Meghalaya ha khalai te guram phang arajar phunriu klapen ku borom ki arngut gi samla ki blapau bha ha ge jala ha ge jing kop nya thuk ha ka bagi job ha ge jing kop nya thuk ki blalong hapo ge jala barchabar jong jala Meghalaya yekini gi arngut gi samla Banteilang jerwa ubla prasnam karta baru Jayden Nongñiah ubla khat prasnam karta lapen ku borom ha Shillong Press Club de kinoi lam jong ka club President Jong Motorsports Club of Meghalaya ba Eugene Nyangti hagi jia kram ki lar pathai ko bor layat ho bakini ki arun ki samla ki job ki jia kop nya thuk ki blada penlong hapo ka jilla bar shabar jong jilla bar kla yo ru ki jing it ho bat bay pisa daga TVS Long bakani ki jing job jongki klalong ki jing amin si me ki wepat ki khana samla jong jilla Meghalaya bakin mi shakmat banchim binta hukum kini ki judging alakai
So anyway, those were the challenging times. Participation in being a good citizen in this year.
Felicity yang di Armut, di Klur, Yelaka Jong Liga Motorsports, ini tampil kata. The award is proudly presented to Mr. Banteilang for his outstanding achievement as the champion of the Indian National Supercross Championship 2025 Class 4 Indian Expert presented by Motorsports Club of Meghalaya.
Ngai kuble ya ka anasiam pada penyihat ikan ya, but hantam ya iba nik di big fan jangan ya, and ngai ngo ya mengayo imei pa iba syaktim kuble iba support jangan hakai ke ibarat but iba ya inisiam jangan hak jing jangan ke bang alek kai ke support skipun ke jing ke bang wan ke jing ke jangan mengayo injury kuble imei pa iba kentiu be jangan ikam semlaเป็นเดียวมันเสียงานได้กินติ้วยังไงยอมควรยังไงเด็กนักเตะกินละที่ในมันจอบเอกในกระทงบัดก็ไว้เองจอบเอกในกระทิ้งจอบกำได้กับประสบอามาร์บากิบุนกิไรเดอร์สกิบานาชาบาก็ไว้คอมพานีจูร์กิบานไพรเวทเยอร์กิบุนกิได้กิtop ridersในอินเดียยี่บัดชิชากับลองชากระทิ้งกระคุยยังไงอามาร์บาไงเทรชิตอมบัดอุเบย์อีกกระทิ้งเทรชิตอมยังไงบัดงาละบัดยัวบัดแค่นี้เนี่ยสอดจริงจอบเบสบอล
Nya dan menang ni kadang once Kerala berlaku apa play itu video bang upload. Hakbal don kumba shipo khasan tili ki go karting circuit. Bakini ki go karting circuit kimbe tang bakili go karting. What ki bikes, ki super bikes, but kunjuru kini ki kali ki belum modified belak ki drag race nane belak ki drift. Nane ban ki kali ki basically apa kita nak ki kategori ki belum ki autocross baru ki shi banta. Kiawan Tikatu ka cita ng sineki, kakiyan niya kibalik niya siya so. Naman kiana ka to kakana kalau kapag perkin bahabi di bakin niya aswa ko ni. Tili say magbalik ka san ka cing kuntu naman ko lang siya sa kapa. Naman ka man pay mo siya ng sports bakin yo at least ya ko yung permanent track na mata ka jongki. Hakba gini baro kibiya doli gini ka sim ila kan lagi gay gino ba haka motorsports ani autosports bakin yo kan lek aku makan jaga ban penbiar lebih improve ya talent la jong ban nilakan pa gini senior jong yang ni kibala isi la ban guide ki kibala ban guru ki tila si kung kawai ka kerja institute nane kala ban ni kapan wanra ya kisama gini what ikon kentai jong ni kibala ni ka sa pakini si pada ni ban kumbang i han ka ri bono koi mata ka motorsports laga dei Formula 1 Kalau kau kumar cenai berkat hak surok paipa. Mendai bagi dia kata. Cenai hak surok paipa. Keeping long yang Formula One competition. And that itself is a great achievement for the state. Empau pakai kunjung yang kasar kunjung ini. Ha kini events juga ada. Burung ke background apa kini burung anut kalong ba. Hagani ke Motorsports, Motocross kepala Tbit long menagani ke National Supercross Championship. Arajar apusan kepala Jayden buat kepala Tbit. Kini burung anut kilala banwan syakmat. Berkamtame hakaba I Banteilang jurua ilalong champion. But kani kalong keke kapa so komen kamtam nomor kacing yakun kacung I kamdei kapa su yakun but ki novice ne ki expert. But kani kacing le kapang gila yo ban page ban ba social media lomba ki video ki bala saprian keleng kapan pau shisha ya kasak kapa kerpang ba mu samlau don ban kumno ula job ya kani kathong.
And hard work. We are proud to honor Banteilang, a 3-time national champion in the MRF Supercross recently 2025-26, and Jayden who secured first runners-up in the novice category. Their achievement have brought immense pride not only to their families but to the entire state of Meghalaya. I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to the parents of our champions, the respected media houses, and notably our senior motocross riders from Shillong. Your presence makes this occasion even more meaningful. At this moment, I would like to take you briefly through the history of motorsports in our region, especially motocross and supercross. Back in the years 1996-98, a group of passionate friends developed deep interest in off-road racing on two-wheelers. The machines of that era were the KB100, RX100 and the Bajaj SX. Professional riding gear was almost unheard. Tracksuits, football gloves, customized leather boots and chin guard inside the chest made from VIP suitcase were the normal gears. Now be good. The front tire. Can reach national platforms, and one day we hope the international circuit as well. We strongly believe that our youths will continue to pursue their dreams with courage and determination. With the right support and guidance, there is no limit to what they can achieve. To conclude, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our honored champions and their families. Your sacrifices, the parents, Mbak Nando, Mama, and support, and I believe have laid the foundation of these remarkable achievements, bringing laurels to our state and the region as a whole. I also extend my sincere appreciation to the trailblazers of motocross of Shillong, from Lavi to Pomen to everybody, Anthony, whoever everyone coming here, who are here today. Your passion and pioneer spirit have paved the way to this new generations.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.